Earlier this summer, Toronto Film School held its first ever summer academy, designed for high school students interested in pursuing filmmaking or acting careers. In our Filmmaking Academy, our instructors, experienced filmmakers themselves, led students through the creative and logistical elements of production. In our Acting Academy, taught by faculty made up of accredited industry professionals, students delved into foundational techniques such as camera awareness, script analysis, blocking, and more. Here's what our Academy graduates have to say of their one-week experiences at our downtown Toronto campus studio.
Like, it looks so easy when you watch it on camera. You're like, oh, it's so easy, but then actually like doing it and behind the scenes takes so long.
What I like to do is the over-under.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there you go. You can get it to somebody's height.
I had like no clue about like what the director of photography was, or like the first and second director. I only thought I thought there was one director, you know?
I thought that the most time would be spent in the filming process of it, but I learned that that's really like the thing that you take the least time on. Everything is like pre and post production.
I mean, I have done that before where I have been like, I didn't like that take, and I'll have the director come over and be like, I'm sorry, did you cut? And I was like, yeah, I didn't, wasn't feeling it. And he's like, but I liked what you were doing. Oh, okay, exactly. So that's why I didn't cut.
It's really nice to have like a group of people who have the same interests, and I felt like it was really easy to talk to people because we had so much in common, like in movie-related type things, and we would say, oh, have you watched this movie and what'd you like about it? And I think that really brought us close together.